Janami bhikkave vassang uttanang bhikkhunang katinang attaritunti. Good morning, Venerable Sirs, friends in the Dhamma. Today we are here to conduct very important and very interesting meritorious deed everybody knows as Katina ceremony. Indeed, the situation around the world is very dangerous. Despite the fact, as Buddhist monks and lay people, we are very happy to join this meritorious deed, which we call as Katina. Before 3 months, the chief sponsors of Colorado Buddhist Vihara invited our Venerable Dr. Pitakotte Seelaratana to observe rain retreats because of you want to collect merit. That is your pure intention. As I mentioned earlier, the Buddhist monks are very important to do any kind of meritorious deed. Katina is the most important and very interesting meritorious deed that everybody has to do as pointed out by the Buddha. Earlier in the morning I mentioned Katina is very important because of once a year only 1 month can receive that kind of robe in a temple. Colorado Buddhist Vihara devotees organize this ceremony without any deficiency in this pandemic situation. During last 3 months, our Seelaratana Hamdruva conducted number of meritorious deeds. Today is the culmination. Culmination is you are going to offer this special robe for our Seelaratana Hamdruva and other monks. Katina means sometimes you have heard number of time, sometimes you have never heard the meaning of that word. Katina is a Pali word, also a Sanskrit word. Generally, Katina means very strong, very robust, very rigid. Why the Buddha introduced this kind of word that concern with special meritorious deed? We know that Buddha, since his first Dhamma deliverance, he observed number of rain retreat at least 20, and after 20, while he was living in Jetavana monastery, he had to regard very special reason, very special incident. That incident is once around 30 monks, they wanted to visit Jetavana monastery in order to observe rain retreat. By that time, even right now, this is the monsoon rain season in India and Asian countries especially. Those monks, they started from Paveya city, but they couldn't make it to Jetavana monastery. On the way, they had to stop and observe nearby Jetavana monastery. Then they were a little bit worried. After rain retreat, they visited the Buddha with wetted robes. Regarding this matter, the Buddha alone approved extra robe. This is the extra rope we call the Katina. Fortunately, today in Colorado Buddhist Vihara, only our Silatana Hamdru. Sometimes even in America, Sri Lankan temples, maybe 2, 3, 5, 6 Buddhist monks. Like countries like Thailand, Burma, other countries, sometimes 30, 40, 50, sometimes 100, sometimes more than monks. Therefore, they have to select a special monk to give this robe. This is the appreciation of lay people. Before 3 months, you invited our Sri Lankan Hamdru. Now you are going to give a gift. In the time of the Buddha, the Buddhist monk not allowed to receive much material things. Now time already has changed. Even though we are still practicing that traditional method, that traditional system, you are going to appreciate today what our Sri Lankan Hamdru has done for you. We call that is the Katina ceremony, that is offering a Katina robe. Definitely, we are going to give this Katina robe to our Sri Lankan Hamdru because of we don't have any discipline role to receive that Katina robe because of we observe our rain retreat in far away. We already finished our Katina ceremony. Then Katina means very strong. When a lay person invited a monk, this is the way to appreciate the end of rain retreat. The important is not only the family who invited Venerable Sri Lankan Hamdru to observe rain retreat, join this with this meritorious deed. All the devotees of Colorado Buddhist Vihara are going to, I think they have joined already with this meritorious deed. Sometime we can do other kind of meritorious deed. We call Atamaha Kusal. We can offer Sangika Dana, we can offer vehicles, homes, flowers, and everything anytime. But this one only once a year for only a single month. This is therefore this kind of meritorious this is very strong, so that's why we call it is the Katina. Why we have to offer Katina? When we offer a Katina robe, we are going to reduce our greed, hatred and delusion. Because of this is not a private charity, this is not a private jhana, private dana. Many people already join. When we cooperate with other people, definitely we are able to reduce greed, hatred and delusion. And at the same time, we are cultivating loving kindness, compassion, altruistic joy. So that is the reason to do this kind of meritorious deed with other people. When a monk receives this Katina robe, he also going to make his mind very strong. At the same time, when he cultivates his mind, he is going to reduce greed, hatred and delusion. This is we call a special robe. When somebody offer a robe for the monks, definitely that person is able to get any kind of clothes, maybe valuable clothes. So that is the benefit we can get as pointed out by the Buddha. So that is the general meaning of offering a Katina robe. Now think about lot of meritorious deed you have done in past 3 months. And today, by offering this special robe, let you make any wishes that you have. By the power of all meritorious deed, not only the sponsor's family and other all devotees of Colorado Buddhist Vihara join, everybody can think. Let us make a good wish. Let us collect lot of merit by offering this Katina robe. Let us share this merit, whoever pass away and whoever would like to receive this merit. By the power of all these meritorious deeds, let our departed maybe parents, brothers, sisters, relatives, friends, make a nice samsaric journey. Let them attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana, keeping this intention. Please say sadhu 3 times. And by the power of all these meritorious deeds, let all of you be happy, healthy and peaceful. Let all good things happen to you. Let any harm, let any difficulties, let any disturbance not come upon to you by the power of this meritorious deed. Keeping this intention, please say 3 times Namo Tassa to offer the Katina robe for the Mahasangha. Please repeat after me. Imang katina vat jivarang sangatsadema. Imang katina jivarang sangatsadema. Sattarikarang imang katina jivarang Sangasadema. आगे ना पूजा. Iccitang patitan tuihang kipameva samijjatu sabde purentu citta sankappa cando pannarasiyata ayurarogya sampatti sakka sampatti mevaca ato nibbana sampatti iminate samijjatu.
ආසීන්ගේ ආමිස පූජා ප්‍රතිපත්ති පූජා වන්දේ යෝග්‍ය වූ භාග්‍යවත් සම්්‍යක් සම්බුද්ධ සර්වඥ රාජෝත්තමයන්න් වහන්සේගේ සදහාට ගුණ ගුණ සෞසිල්‍යාදී යමද ගුණ ගුණාභරණ සාරිපුත්‍ර මෞද්ගල්‍යානන්ද රාහුල මහා කාශ්‍යප විරාණ්‍යාගත සුබලපන් මහා සංඝරත්නයේ දෙපස වඩා හිඳුවා අත්‍යන්ත පරිසුද්ධෝ ශ්‍රද්ධාධ්‍යාසයෙන් පිරිනමනද්දා වූ දානානි සංසයම් ප්‍රථම ගුණ පීඨාම්බර කමලාසනස්තාදේ समस्त दिव्य राज समूहाट पिन पनुरක් වශයෙන් අනුමෝදන් කරමු. අනුමෝදන් වන ලැබෙත්වා ප්‍රථම පුණ්‍යානුමෝදනාවෙන් අධික දේත සන්තෝෂ භාවයට පෙමිනියා වූ එම දෙවියන්ගේ දේව තේජානුභාවයෙන් හා ශ්‍රීමත් බුද්ධාදී රත්නත්‍රානුභාවයෙන් මම නිසල බල කුසල කාමී සකල ශ්‍රද්ධාවන්ත සත්පුරුෂයන්ට ආත්ම සංඥාත මෙදොතින් වන්නා වූ සකලාන්තරාය සර්වෝපද්‍රවයන් හේතුරු ගන්දුරාක්ෂයෙන් විහිද විධ්වංසනය කෙරෙත්වා යර තම තමන්ට තම තමන්ගේ නාමෙන් නැසීමිය පරලෝකියා වූද සුජීවත්ව වාසය කරන්නා වූද ගුරු වර්ධමෝපී බන්ධු මිත්‍ර පුත්‍ර කලත්‍ර භාත්‍ර භගින්‍යාදී සියලුම දෙනාටත් අනුමෝදන් වීමෙන් පරමරමණීය නිවන් ශ්‍රී ලබනා තාක් කල් මුළුල්ලේ සංජීවාදී